Eh bien salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer cette aventure. On devait donner un petit peu d'or justement au commerçant qui est juste devant nous pour essayer de voir pour trahir les gardes qui estorquent tous les marchands. Donc bien évidemment j'avais oublié un tonneau ici, ça pourra toujours servir. On va faire juste un petit tour ici dans l'angle. Voilà. Et on pourra même monter plus tard. Oh, quoique. Allez, on y va tout de suite. Alors là, pour sauter. D'accord. Là, donc on n'a pas le choix là. Là, si on n'a pas la vigueur niveau 2, on pourra jamais atteindre ce coffre. Très bien. Allez, on va te donner des sous, même si ça me fend le cœur. Alors, lui proposer d'aider à arrêter les exploiteurs.
Have you reconsidered? Are you ready to help me?
I'm sorry, but I have not changed my mind. It's far too dangerous.
Proposer de l'argent.
And what if I gave you money to pay for it? If the plan fails, you only have to give them that money. They have no interest in getting rid of those who earned them so much.
You are not wrong. Very well. I will do what you ask of me. But for God's sake, when they threaten me, intervene right away.
Fear not. We will not let them harm you. When should they be returning?
It's hard to predict. Given their habits, I would say in 2 days, maybe?
Perfect. I will not fail you.
Thank you for your visit.
Revenir dans 2 jours. D'accord, donc il faut vraiment revenir dans 2 jours. Pas de soucis. En attendant, il y a manque à l'appel, donc parler à Kurt de sa jeune recrue. Et entre temps, j'avais croisé un marchand qui devait me donner une quête. Lui. Ouais, j'arrive. Moi pas comprendre.
Why are you dressed like this?
Hello. I'm not one of your people. I'm the legate of the merchant congregation.
A legate? Is that someone important?
Indeed. I'm in charge of diplomatic relationships with other nations.
So you'll be able to help me. My chief sent me to trade some items with your village, but there are these Bod Irony who do not want me to set up shop here.
These what?
Bod Irony, the Ironbacks, the warriors who protect this village. Every time I come, they take my items without giving me anything in exchange. Please, I don't understand how things work here.
Very well. Stay here, I'll try to clear this up.
Allah Redar on Olmenawi. May the earth always be sturdy under your footsteps.
D'accord, ça doit être les mêmes gardes qui estorquent. À tous les coups. Donc on va voir au niveau de la quête. Se renseigner auprès de l'intendant Manfred. D'accord. L'homme à la pièce d'argent. Donc ça c'est revenir dans 2 jours. On va parler à Kurt. Mon cher Kurt.
Greenblood, tell me, do you remember that young recruit I spoke to you about? I would still like to present him to you. So then, would you like to accompany me to meet him?
Je suis pas une femme facile, je te préviens.
But of course. Let's go.
Raina must be with the other recruits in the barracks.
I had thought you were lone wolf.
Donc désolé pour toi, ma chère.
but I was mistaken.
I am full of surprises, pretty sure.
Votre équipe est incomplète. Ah oui. Retrouver la jeune recrue. Donc, elle est ici. Et en même temps, on doit aller voir une personne dans ce bâtiment.
Good day, soldiers.
Your Excellency,
Captain,
Soldiers,
may we be of service?
Vous interrogez à propos de Rainer. Non. On va d'abord demander de s'identifier.
rank and assignment, soldiers.
Recruit, First Class, Blue Silver Regiment, 8th Company, Your Excellency.
the Blue Silver Regiment is made up of men attributed to serve the Congregation of Merchants. I'm one of them, and the 8th Company was sent to Tyr for D, with 2 other companies.
Anything else, Excellency?
Leur affectation.
What is your charge?
Maintain order in the city, Excellency. Anything else, Excellency?
Les interroger à propos de Rainer.
I'm looking for the soldier, Rainer. Is he in the barracks?
I never heard that name before, Captain.
Never heard the name, Captain.
That's strange. I'm certain he was sent here.
Maybe he's been moved since then. When was the last time you'd heard news of him?
In Serene, just before our departure. But that's been a couple of months.
If I may, Captain, should I have a word with the quartermaster?
That's right, Captain. He has a register with the affectations of every recruit in the Blue Silver Regiment. Anything else, Excellency?
Non, c'est bon. Vous
That
pouvez y
will be
aller.
all.
At ease, soldiers.
Et ça, cassez-vous. L'intendant Manfred.
Hello, Your Excellency. What can I do for you?
Donc, on va d'abord s'attaquer à la recrue Rainer.
I've been looking for one of my recruits. Goes by the name of Rainer. I would like for His Excellency to meet him.
Rainer? I'm sorry, Kurt. I thought you'd been informed.
Informed about what?
He is dead. He was found, drowned in the port harbour day before yesterday. I was told he had too much to drink and fell in. I'm extremely sorry, Kurt. The young men drink more than they can handle when they're on leave.
That's bollocks. That lad isn't the sort to sully himself with drink. I don't believe it.
People change. When they're far from home, the lads have little else to do.
I still don't believe it.
Listen, you might as well go and ask the doctor down in the morgue. I might have misunderstood what was reported to me. Those doctors use such long words for simple things.
Excellent idea. At least you'll see it for yourself.
You're right. Let's go.
Is there anything else?
Le marchand insulaire.
I met an islander in the streets who was complaining to me about the guard's behavior.
Really?
It would seem that patrols have confiscated the goods he was hoping to sell several times.
Oh, I see. Indeed, I've been told about this man. The problem, Your Excellency, is that our orders are strict. Merchants who do not have a patent ratified by the Minister cannot sell their goods in the street. And since your islander doesn't have one, I doubt he even knows what it is, my men have no choice but to confiscate his knickknacks.
I see. Thanks for clarifying that. I'll talk to the Minister.
Is there anything else?
Très bien,
No,
bon, on
thank
va
you.
essayer de lui arranger ça. Donc, c'est dans la même bâtisse. Enquêter sur la morgue. Très bien. Donc, il faut trouver le passage qui nous permet de descendre. Il me semble que c'est à gauche.
Well now, a visit. Can I help you with something?
Ah, je connais ce chapeau. L'interroger au sujet de la mort de Rainer. Son rôle, bon, on doit le connaître.
Whatever is a doctor of the Bridge Alliance doing in the barracks of the New Serene Coin Guard?
I was posted here from the University of Al-Sad, as per their agreement with the Guard.
Agreement? What sort of agreement?
The Guard requested dedicated doctors for the care of their troops. The University accepted under 2 conditions. That the doctors practice only in the territories of the Bridge or her allies, and that we have the privilege of examining all of their corpses, in the interest of anatomical study. These requests were made official thanks to the Agreement Charter, and I must say we have been able to increase our knowledge of anatomy immensely. Anything else?
La mort de Rainer.
We are here concerning the matter of Recruit Rayner.
Are you family or friends?
You could say that. I'm the one who recruited the lad.
I see. Well, what I can do is tell you what I can.
D'accord. La date d'arrivée du corps.
When was the body brought to you?
Day before yesterday, in the early morning.
Très bien. Des précisions sur les circonstances de la mort.
Can you tell me anything about the circumstances?
All I know is what I was told by the fellows who brought the body to me. They said they'd spent the evening together at the tavern, that they'd had a great deal to drink. A horrid habit the soldiers all seemed to share.
Rayner was not a drinker.
Maybe not. All the same, he was drinking that night. He stepped outside for a moment and never came back in. His companions found him drowned in the bay early morn, and they brought him to me.
Je suis sûr que c'est les 3 qu'on a interrogés tout à l'heure, et Rainer a voulu les dénoncer. C'est quasiment sûr ça. Demander des précisions sur les causes de la mort, mais c'est pas ce qu'on vient de faire là.
How then did he die, in your opinion?
He drowned. I'm sorry. It's regrettable. He was quite a young man.
Yeah, and his death makes no sense. He didn't drink, and he knew how to swim.
All the same, that's what happened. I greatly regret it.
Demandez à voir le corps alors.
Might we take a look at the body?
No, I wouldn't recommend that. To see your friend in such a state.
I'm a soldier, Doc. I've seen a number of men in pieces. Let me see the young lad.
I regret, Captain. I cannot allow that.
On va insister. 50% de chance de réussir. Allez.
I have as of yet to present myself. I'm Lady de Sardet, legate of the Congregation of Merchants on Tirfredi. And as the title infers, I have the power to inspect this barracks and all that it contains. Therefore, I must insist.
I am sorry, Your
Oh
Excellency,
là là.
but
On est
within
vraiment pas
these
doué.
walls, I am the only master. These bodies are often vectors of infection and extremely contagious. So, for your own security, I find myself obliged to refuse.
Eh ben écoute, ça va pas se passer comme ça.
To be quite frank, we're leaving you no choice. I doubt that you will be able to stop my friend from doing what he wants. And today he's driven by sadness. And when he's of sad sorts, the slightest frustration can turn that melancholy into a rage. And alas for you, he's quite violent when he's in a rage.
You wouldn't dare! I've been appointed by the Elder of the University of...
Quite violent.
Very well. Do as you see necessary. Beasts. It's the body in the middle. Examine
oui.
him if you must. But please be so kind as to not leave a mess after you.
On a perdu un petit peu de réputation. Et il faut vraiment qu'on voit le corps. Du coup, on a accès. Je pense pas que ça soit celui-là.
This doesn't look like the body of young Rayner.
Je m'en doutais.
This doesn't look like the body of young Rayner.
T'es presque sûr. Allez. Science niveau 2. D'accord. Ah, c'est pas mal. Nous, là, on a science niveau 1. C'est bien dommage.
This one is just a boy. His face is still locked in an expression of pain. Kurt, is this your recruit?
Yes, that's my Raina. Poor kid. I should have left him with his family where he was.
We'll need to examine the body to learn more. Is that all right?
He's not the first young man I've seen with the lights gone from his eyes. Go on.
I'm no doctor, but this boy doesn't seem to have drowned at all. It looks like he's been beaten. It's suspicious.
The boy I knew would never have drunk himself senseless to the point he'd fall into the bay, I'm telling you.
I believe you, Kurt. But if we want to prove it, we'll need to find more evidence.
D'accord. Le livre doit être un livre de compte rendu. Le sujet est un homme jeune de moins de 20 ans. Il présente de nombreux hématomes sur tout le corps, certains plus anciens que d'autres. Les os des avant-bras ont été brisés, les mains sont écorchées, plusieurs côtes sont brisées et le crâne est enfoncé. C'est sans doute à cause du décès. Ah bah oui, pas d'une noyade en tout cas. Sérieux? À moins qu'il s'est pris un bateau dans la gueule, et encore. Les geôles. D'accord. Accès aux geôles. Alors on va lui demander des explications.
Excuse me, Doctor, but you owe us a few explanations. This boy did not die by drowning.
It is absolutely the cause of death, I assure you. The science of death is a complex art, and you are certainly not a doctor.
Non mais te moque pas de notre gueule non plus.
That is true, but you are. Do you recognize your own notes? Your writing is hard to read, but the word drowning never appears.
What an idiot. I should have burned those notes. I am truly sorry. I swear I have never, ever falsified a report before. But I was given no choice in the matter.
How's that? What are you talking about?
Two men, lieutenants I believe, brought a body to me telling me the boy had drowned in an accident. I saw immediately this was a lie, but I did not push the matter. I began my examination, planning to submit my report to the quartermaster as per usual. But the men returned. I was told to forget what I'd discovered and say that he had indeed drowned, or else.
Who were they?
I have no idea. I had never seen them before at the barracks. I guessed their rank by their uniforms.
What colours were they sporting?
None. They must have removed the emblems of their regiment. Listen, it's obvious that this boy was beaten repetitively, and that was the cause of death. I have no intention of suffering the same fate.
Have no fear, Doctor. We will make no mention of your name.
Andevars Tire. That means, may the earth welcome him. I am sorry for you, Kurt.
Thank you, Siora.
Si je vous gêne, vous le dites, hein. Bon, allons voir l'intendant.
Hello, Your Excellency. What can I do for you?
Parler de la mort de Rainer.
We have a situation, Manfred. Rainer didn't drown. The doctor falsified his report. He was threatened and feared for his own life.
You have to be pulling me leg. Who bullied the crowface?
Lieutenants that he didn't recognize, alas, and who wore no regiment emblems.
Which regiment was Rainer assigned to? I would like to have a word with his commanding officer.
Let me have a look at the register. My memory isn't what it once was. Stab my heart with a rusty blade. His name's been crossed out. Oh, if I catch the bastard that did that.
What mess was the boy into, Manfred? What could this be about?
Your lad was in the 6th or maybe the 11th, before being reassigned to who knows where.
Just like that? You out of everyone have to know where the recruits are assigned.
Not of late. This isn't the first lad who's been reassigned all of a sudden at the drop of a hat. Each time I start complaining about it, I'm told they've changed regiments, and it's not my concern.
Something truly bizarre is going on here. I don't like this at all.
Let's try and discover which company he was stationed at before this mysterious reassignment.
Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
I need to get to the bottom of this mystery, Greenblood. I don't like being taken for a fool. Even if the lieutenants weren't stationed at these barracks, someone here must know where Raina was assigned.
We should also go and check the tavern. Men on leave will perhaps have looser lips than those within the walls.
La taverne, c'est une bonne idée ça. Donc, la taverne est plus loin. Interroger les lieutenants. Ah, c'est pour le marchand, peut-être? Ah non. On peut interroger les lieutenants. D'accord. Ah bah c'est ce qu'on va faire. Ils vont bien nous dire quelque chose. Donc les lieutenants. Non. C'est pas eux. Ça nous amène où ça? Enquêter à la taverne. On y arrive directement. D'accord, les lieutenants sont ici. Officier en permission.
Excellency!
I saw you in the palace, if I'm not mistaken.
Your Excellency has a good eye and memory. I am one of the officers, in charge of the protection of your cousin's councillors. How can I help you?
Se renseigner sur la sécurité du palais.
You said you were responsible for the protection of my cousin's councillors.
That's right, Your Excellency. It's my assignment. When I'm not on leave, that is.
And what sort of work do you carry out exactly?
Essentially to assure that every one of those prestigious persons is accompanied by a guard. But I also have to follow and verify their personnel. Valets, chambermaids, secretaries.
And is everything in order? One of our councillors is an old professor of mine. You know how it is.
All is as should be expected, Excellency. Lord de Cassilion is in good hands, rest assured. Anything else?
On a tendance à se méfier de tout le monde maintenant. L'interroger sur Rainer.
We are investigating the death of a young recruit, a certain Raina.
I've never heard the name before. He's not one of my men.
I know, but you might at least have heard someone mention him in passing.
Did he die at the palace?
No. We have no idea where it happened, only where the body was found. So?
I'm sorry. That doesn't ring any bells. None at all.
On va insister.
Someone might have talked about the matter. His body was found in the waters of the port. It had been reported that he drowned, but in truth he was beaten to death. Murdered. We want to know what happened.
I hear you. The murder of one of our own should not go unpunished. But alas, I don't know how I can help you. This is the first I've heard about it.
D'accord. On ne peut pas insister plus non plus. Hein. Tiens, lui c'est une recrue.
Good day, soldier.
Good day, my lady.
De Sardet, legate of the congregation on Tirfredi.
Captain Kurt.
Oh, excuse me, Excellency. I didn't know. Captain, I truly am sorry. At your service, my lady. Excellency.
On va lui demander de s'identifier.
Since you know who we are, present yourself, soldier.
Ah, yes, my lady. Recruit 2nd Class Alric, Blue Silver Regiment, 11th Company. At your service. Anything else?
Demander son histoire.
You don't quite look like you've got the hang of all this. How long have you been in?
Is it that obvious?
It's quite normal for a new recruit.
I joined up 4 months ago. but at the beginning we were on board ship, you see. I don't know if that really counts. I started exercises when we got to New Serene, but I'm making progress, they say.
And do you like it here?
I sure do. That's why I joined the Guard. To come here, to leave the continent. Know what I mean?
I do.
Anything else?
Interrogé sur Rainer.
Here. You seem tired and a little on edge. A drink would do you some good.
It's just that I don't know if I'm allowed.
You're on leave, or you wouldn't be at the tavern. And why not?
Yes, but this is His Excellency's own bottle. I don't know if I can.
Drink, I tell you.
Now then, why don't you tell us what you know about Rainer?
Well, I didn't serve with him. Well, not really. We just crossed paths. He was leaving the 11th when I joined. Everyone said he was good, strong, and, followed orders. And then, poof. Lieutenant got this order, and he wasn't happy. And I mean really quite unhappy. And then Rainer, he was gone. We never saw him again. We asked where he'd been sent, but the lieutenant didn't want to tell us. Said that it was none of our business. But you, he won't be able to say no to you. You should go and offer him a drink too.
Where can we find your lieutenant?
At the barracks.
Thank you. And watch yourself when leaving. Wouldn't want you to fall into the bay. That will be all, soldier. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
D'accord, très bien. Donc la troisième personne, on n'a pas besoin d'y aller. Allez. Ça, pour l'instant, tout est à côté. J'ai pas envie de me perdre avec toutes les portes à l'intérieur. Je préfère passer par l'extérieur. Donc c'est ici. Il est au même étage que nous. On a un petit coffre au fond. T'es jamais venu ici. On a énormément de matos vraiment dégueulasse. Ça sera pour le recyclage. Officier de la 11e compagnie.
Hello, officer.
Excellency, can I do something for you?
Lui demander de s'identifier.
Could you tell me which company you serve?
The 11th, Excellency. Anything else?
Son affectation.
What's your assignment?
The 11th is assigned to road and outpost security for the congregation on the island. As for me, I'm responsible for the training of recruits and the patrol duty roster. Anything else?
Il a pas l'air tranquille, hein. L'interroger sur Rainer.
We are concerned about the death of a young recruit named Rainer.
Let's be perfectly straight. We know that Rainer belonged to your company. And as the acting lieutenant instructor, you certainly had him under your command. So just stop with the lies. We've lost enough time here.
You know what they say? Guard business is well guarded.
And concerns only the guard. Now, unless you've lost your eyesight, you've a captain in front of you.
I know. But this story is dangerous, Captain.
If you have so much as an ounce of respect for the boy, speak to us. Don't you believe he deserves justice?
Yes, of course. But you have no idea what's been going on here. If word got round that I've been talking, come back after sundown, when there's fewer folk.
Very well. We'll be back.
Anything else?
Non, on va pas insister. On va attendre la
Thank
nuit.
you, Lieutenant. Farewell.
That man was shaking and looking over his shoulder, as if he thought a predator had caught his scent. Whatever could terrify your warriors to jitter so?
I don't know yet. But I will find out, Siora.
Tout le monde est louche, hein. Tout le monde est louche. Là, on arrive dans la cour intérieure. Très bien. Rien ici. Ah, on est trop chargé. Bon. On se casse d'ici. Et je vous reprends une fois qu'il fera nuit. Je vais visiter en attendant un petit peu la ville une fois de plus. Je vous reprends un petit moment. C'était pour vous signaler juste que j'ai découvert qu'on avait une maison. Donc ici on a le palais. Je vous montre sur la carte. Le palais. Et ici nous avons la demeure. Donc on a bien une petite demeure. On va la visiter ensemble. Histoire de voir ce qu'il y a à l'intérieur. On regarde un petit peu à droite à gauche. Voilà. En tant que diplomate, vous avez un appartement à disposition dans les grandes villes des différentes nations. Ça c'est bien ça. Vous y trouverez un atelier, un coffre de stockage, ça c'est super, ainsi que vos compagnons. Vous pouvez également vous reposer et voyager à partir de cet endroit. Ça c'est cool ça. Donc crocheter niveau 3, ah oui, ça va pas être pour tout de suite. Donc je suppose que c'est là où il y a le blason. Donc ici on peut voyager. Donc on n'a pas d'autre destination. On voit qu'on pourra voyager. On peut pas revenir à Sérène. Nous avons un coffre de stockage, l'atelier ici, très bien. Ne serait-ce pas mon cousin ça? Et à l'étage, il doit y avoir la chambre. Les intérieurs se ressemblent énormément. Je trouve ça un tout petit peu dommage. Et je pense qu'en se reposant, on peut éventuellement choisir l'heure en fait de là où on repop. D'accord, composer son équipe. Donc on peut vraiment changer l'équipe qu'on veut. D'accord, très bien. Donc voilà, je voulais vous montrer au moins ça. Nous avons même un petit feu de camp que j'avais pas vu pour certainement cuisiner. Voilà, donc je vous reprends une fois qu'il fait nuit devant la caserne. Allez. Donc voilà les amis, il fait nuit, on va pouvoir aller parler au lieutenant de du 11e régiment. Alors je n'ai même pas passé la nuit, le temps de fouiller, d'aller un petit peu à droite à gauche, il faisait nuit directement. J'aurais vraiment apprécié qu'on ait une indication sur le cycle jour-nuit. Ça aurait été très utile. Donc, il est là, tout seul, comme un glandu.
We are quite alone now. You may speak to us.
Raina was indeed a member of my company, and an excellent recruit. But you already know that.
Continue.
One morning, I got a note telling me he'd been transferred from my company. He'd received a new assignment. I was so furious that I did my own little investigation to see where he'd been sent. It wasn't easy. No one wanted to give me answers. No one seemed to know anything. But one thing's for certain. Raina wasn't the only man to have disappeared. I learned that a good many recruits, all the cream of the crop, had been reassigned. And finally, I learned about the existence of a phantom regiment.
What sort of nonsense are you talking about?
A sort of secret, elite company that were following a special training program.
Where can we find them?
I've no idea. I had to put my investigation to rest. Things were getting dangerous. I began to sense I was being watched. This regiment protects its secrets at all costs with few scruples. If you want to know more, the training officer of the 6th might know something. It's been said that he took part in one of their missions. alongside them.
Are you certain you've nothing more to tell me about this infamous secret regiment?
I've told you everything I know, at the risk of ending up like Raynor, Excellency. Go and see the officer of the 6th if you want to learn more. And leave me alone now.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Farewell.
Ah, ça devient de plus en plus étrange. Alors pour une petite information, dans notre appartement donc, il y avait un petit feu de camp. Je pensais que c'était pour cuisiner, mais non. En fait, il y a une peau de bête juste devant. C'est pour pouvoir dormir tranquille sur une peau de bête. Écoutez, pourquoi pas. Si on n'a pas envie de monter à l'étage. Alors, ici c'est les quartiers, une civière. Très bien. Bon, qui c'est qui fait le malin là? Officier de la 6e compagnie.
Good day, Lieutenant.
Excellency, what's your pleasure?
On va lui demander de s'identifier déjà.
What company do you serve?
The 6th, Excellency. Anything else?
Son affectation.
To where are you assigned?
The 6th Company is in charge of exploration and expansion of the colony of the Congregation of Merchants on the island. We operate mainly in the wilderness areas, in direct contact with the natives. But don't worry, we respect to the letter Congregation directives and standing orders. We avoid all confrontation with them as much as possible. Anything else?
L'interroger sur le régiment fantôme.
Tell me about the Phantom Regiment.
About what? I have no idea what you're talking about, Your Excellency.
Tentez de le convaincre. Le soudoyer. Je vais essayer de le convaincre. 25%, on ne sait jamais. Hein, ça fait quand même une chance sur 4.
Come now, Lieutenant. You do realize that the activities of this regiment are particularly suspicious. Secrets, threats, fabrications, and maybe even an assassination. This resembles more the pursuits of a criminal organization than the honorable coin guard. Am I to conclude that you are involved?
No.
Oh, ça a réussi.
No. I assure you that isn't the case.
So then tell me what you know about the regiment.
I've seen the regiment. Even fought beside them on an operation. On that occasion, our marching orders were kept secret until the last minute. We were asked to remove our regiment emblems. And our pay wasn't even recorded. And of course, we were ordered to speak to no one about it under any circumstances. I hope you realize the risk I'm taking, talking to you about all this.
Have no fear. We understand. What was this operation?
An attack. A lightning strike. On a caravan from the Bridge Alliance.
Marvelous. A company that behaves like back-alley bandits.
I know. It really shakes up the honor code. The regiment is made up of young recruits, carefully chosen. Only the best make it through. The training is extremely arduous. And my guess is that Raynor isn't the only one who's died from it. I know that they set up camp just outside the city, where the men live and train. But I'd be at a loss to tell you precisely where it's found. Sorry, Captain.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
This story is making me sick. Poor Raynor. If I'd have known, I'd never have recruited him.
I'm sorry, Kurt.
This isn't your doing. But these filthy phantoms, or whatever they are gonna have to settle the debt. Believe me.
You do realize that your own commander is certainly involved in this on some level. Outright clandestine operations could not have taken place without his approval.
That he's aware of the existence of the regiment, there is no doubt. That he approves of what they're doing. It wouldn't be the first head that didn't know what his hands were up to.
What do you wish to do now?
I'm gonna find the location of this camp. I have a few friends that can certainly help us. And when I know where to smoke out these bastards, I'll go and have a few fiery words. If you were of a mind to accompany me, 2 of us would not be too many to make sure they settle their debts.
Let me know when you discover where they are to be found.
You can count on me.
Très bien. Kurt aimable. Donc, C'était de quel côté déjà? Je m'en souviens même plus. Non, c'est pas ici. Ah, peut-être par là. Ouais. Ça fait le bruit de l'eau alors qu'il n'y a pas d'eau. Un petit peu étrange. Donc du coup, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Progresser dans la quête principale. Attendre que cœur. D'accord, donc il faut progresser dans la quête principale. Nous avons les recherches de Monsieur Courcillon, c'est juste de l'exploration et de la cartographie. Donc établir les campements. Donc on en a quand même pas mal. Et ça c'est le professeur on doit retrouver ses notes. Donc ça il y en a pas mal, ça c'est on ira tranquillement les trouver à l'occasion. Donc il faut un jour et encore 12 heures. Et le marchand de devenir. Obtenir une patente. On va voir si on peut lui obtenir une patente. Oui. Donc là on a Constantin, si on veut lui parler, et obtenir une patente. C'est au même étage que nous. Non, c'est au même étage. Pourquoi ils m'ont fait passer par là? C'est de l'autre côté alors? Ah bah il est là. Conseiller aux affaires diplomatiques.
Minister.
Your Excellency, it is always an honor. How may I serve you?
Lui parler du marchand insulaire.
I would like to talk to you about an islander who is trying to set up shop in our city. Since he doesn't have a patent, his wares get confiscated as soon as he receives them.
And you want me to provide him with the said patent? I would be delighted to show you the procedure to follow so that we may study his request. You'll understand that we cannot give an authorization without having determined the value of the goods beforehand. We must determine the tax rate according to this value, determine the best emplacement for this business. In short, these things take time, a lot of time.
Le charisme. Mais écoutez, pourquoi pas? Une chance sur deux, hein.
I'm certain that my cousin will be delighted to hear that our relations with the natives are progressing in a significant way. And he will probably be very grateful to the minister who helped their first merchant set up shop in our city.
Perhaps, Your Excellency.
Oh, il a raté.
But our governor wouldn't be pleased if I didn't determine the fitting tax rates.
Et si on insiste, ça fait quoi?
Minister, allow me to insist.
Alas, your insistence will not change a thing. I heard your request and it will be processed. It is only a matter of a few months. Would you like anything else?
Ah bah non, du coup.
That'll be all.
Goodbye, Your Excellency.
This pencil pusher is as rigid as a halberd. Do you know how to make him change his mind?
Sir de Corsilion knows all the subtleties of courtiers. He'll know how to convince him.
On va parler à Courcillon, c'est ça? Il est où? Obtenir une patente. C'est l'étage au-dessus. Ah bah il est là. C'est parfait. Bonjour cher ami.
Sir de Corsilion.
Decidez, my young student, what can I do for you?
Alors, parler des campements. Non. Pour
I would like
convaincre
to
le
enlist
ministre.
your help in making the Minister of Commercial Affairs see reason.
Did our finicky Minister of Paperwork bother you?
He refuses to speed up the procedure to create a patent needed by a native merchant. The poor man has already had his wares confiscated several times, despite the fact that if he were given permission to set up shop in our city, it would certainly improve relations with our neighbors.
I'm not surprised. This man really loves to lose himself in writing up pointless paragraphs. Let me write you a recommendation letter. He'll see my seal, and I'm certain that he'll become more compliant.
Thank you for your help, sir.
Don't mention it. Always delighted to help you. And to bother this annoying little man. Can your old professor still prove himself useful?
Ça, c'est un copain, ça. Parler du professeur Séraphin. Non, mais ça, après, on le sait.
Looking forward to seeing you again, Sir de Corsilian.
C'est lui qui nous avait parlé justement qu'il fallait faire la cartographie et retrouver les notes. Donc on va descendre à l'étage en dessous. Et il faut redescendre encore à l'étage en dessous, d'accord. On a dit qu'il fallait passer par là. Tiens, tu vas moins faire le malin là.
Minister.
Your Excellency, it is always an honor.
Ouais, c'est ça.
How may I serve you?
I would like to have another discussion with you about the patent for the merchant whom I told you about.
As I explained, these things take time. But I'm listening.
Lui remettre la lettre de Monsieur Coursillon.
Sir de Corsilian was kind enough to give me a letter addressed to you.
A letter of recommendation, I suppose.
Oui, bien sûr.
I see. I have no other choice but to accept your request. But I hope all merchants will not make use of the same special favors. Here's the patent that will allow your protégé to legally pursue his activity in the city. You should give him this copy. The other one will be kept in the archives. However, one of my representatives will visit his stall for the estimation and to determine the tax rate in accordance with the...
Thanks a lot, Minister. Looking forward to seeing you again.
Would you like anything else?
That'll be all.
Goodbye, Your Excellency.
Ouais, c'est ça. Reste poli surtout. Reste poli. Non mais... Refuser quelque chose. Avec le charisme que je déploie, on me refuse tout. Vous imaginez? C'est une honte. Alors... On va terminer cette quête.
You came back. Something terrible happened.
What is it? I was just bringing you the patent you needed to set up shop.
The Bud Irony came back, and they took my cousin away. He came to bring us animal pelts and new objects from the village. But the warriors came back. They took everything he was bringing me. And they also took him. I don't know what they will do with him. Please, bring him back to me.
I don't see why they would have arrested your cousin, but I'll try to find out.
Alors déjà, tu me tutoies pas. Déjà, de base. Hein? Sérieux? Donc les amis, on a quand même pas mal avancé au niveau des quêtes. On se laisse là pour cet épisode. Likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu. Est-ce que vous auriez fait différemment au niveau des quêtes? Dites-le moi dans les commentaires. Si vous n'êtes pas abonné, je vous invite à le faire pour continuer à me suivre dans cet extraordinaire épisode et série en tout cas, parce que c'est une très grande aventure. On n'est que au début. J'ai hâte de quitter la ville pour voir un petit peu les décors en milieu sauvage. Je vous dis, prenez soin de vous et de vos proches. Je vous dis à bientôt. Bye bye.